Terasa with honors. O. Soriano, member of APHS Terpsichorean Guild. Josefa Marie L. Pulvinar, daughter of Mr. Salvador P. Pulvinar. F. Ramirez, daughter of Miss Mary Ann P. Farales with honors. Daughter of Mr. Antonio F. Senior with
Donna, member of the APHS Volleyball in Youth Community Service. Member Michael Jr. T. Villanos, son of Mrs. Reden T. Villanos, student ambassador with honors. Princess Mariel N. Canillas, daughter of Mrs. Marites N. Canillas, with honors. Mr. and Mrs. Severino A. Alvarez Jr. with honors, member of APHS Terpsichorean Guild. John Nathaniel L. Hill, son of Dr. and Mrs. Exodus First P. Hill, with honors. Christian A. Montano, son of Mr. and Mrs. Bernardo P. Montano, member of APHS by
Jerry A. Rule, son of Mr. and Mrs. Judith A. Rule, member of APHS Volleyball Team, Best Research Awardee with honors. UST Entrance Test Passer with honors. Lawrence Craig O. Yabu, son
of Mr. and Mrs. Ferdinand E. Milik with honors. Ron Samuel Z. Loyola, son of Mr. Romel Loyola.
Dexter John O. Servilio, son of Mrs. Dayan. John Brett L. Montemar, son of Miss Rebecca A. Manuel, JRU Proficiency Awardee for Work Immersion. Alison Dexter S. A. Maestro, son of Miss Rosalie
Angelo I. Sibalo, honors. Renmax Bernard M. Bilo, son of Mr. and Mrs. Raul R. Bilo. C2 competent. Paulo Benedict A. Dorado, son of Mr. and Mrs. Julius T. Dorado, TIP Excellence Awardee for Work Immersion in ICT Programming, TESDA Computer System Servicing NC2 competent with honors. Jeremy E. Engilio, son of Mr. and Mrs. Jess J. Engilio. Leif Jacob C. Florendo, son of Mr. and Mrs. Lawrence L. Florendo, with honors. L. C. Gatulayan, son of Edith A. Dorado, son of Mr. and Mrs. Julius T. Dorado.
Yan mga kabutoy, yung aking bunso. Graduate siya ng senior high, grade 12 mga kabutoy. At maraming salamat po ay napatapos din natin sa pag-aaral ng grade 12. Yan, senior high mga kabutoy. At Paolo, pumutihin mo yung pag-aaral. At nandito lang kami ni Mama mo na sumusupport sa iyo. At pagpatuloy mo lang at galingan mo pa. At yun mga kabutoy, at masarap sa pakiramdam na nag-graduate na yung bunso, yung panganay mga kabutoy. At sa sunod na pasukan siya ay maging second year college na rin, at ito ay mag first year college mga kabutsoy.